How to use Squarespace to create a website. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how to build your own website using Squarespace. Squarespace is one of the most popular platforms out there for website building, and it deals with everything from your domain to your website design. All of it can be done directly on Squarespace. Not only that, but they have some amazing products such as the Acuity scheduling tool, Biosites, Unfold, and Talk, which are all platforms that can help in boosting your overall social media and online presence. Now, let's jump right in. To get started, simply head on over to squarespace.com. Once you do that, just click on Get Started on the top right. Now, once you've done that, it's time to get started with your first website. Firstly, you can proceed with what type of website you're looking for. So for me, I want to build a simple portfolio website. So I'm just going to search for resumes and portfolios. After that, just click on next. And for me, for my particular website, I just want to showcase my work or expertise. Now on Squarespace, you have two options. You can browse a template or you can build with AI. Both of these are amazing options, and it's going to be a really simple setup on both of these. If you want to browse templates, it just allows you to see a wider variety of designs and styles that you can take inspiration from. Whereas if you want to go with AI-based tools, so if you proceed with AI over here, you can get something that is tailored towards your particular industry, but it might not be as unique or as different as you might want it. And you can even click on build your own template where you can really create something from scratch that is completely unique for you. For me, I don't want something too out of the box. I want to go for this one. This looks pretty decent. And you will see you have the sample color presets, which you can choose from. You have multiple different color presets, and all of these are really nice color combinations. I'm going to go with this really earthy one, and then I'll just click on start with this design. Once you do that, you can proceed with your account creation on Squarespace. You can continue with your email address, Google, Apple, and you even have other options like Facebook. And I'm just going to sign on over here to create my Squarespace account. And once you've done that, you can proceed with the template that you're editing on Squarespace. So we're just going to proceed onto our template. And one other thing to note whenever you're using Squarespace is that if you're using Squarespace as a e-commerce tool, you will be prompted to upgrade your Squarespace account because if you're selling on Squarespace, you do have to subscribe to a premium version to be able to accept payments. So this is my website template right now. On the left, we have pages, we have our styles, and I'm just going to go into main navigation, go into the about section, and this is what it currently looks like. I'm just going to click on edit to begin editing this page. Now, firstly, I think I'm going to exit and I'll edit the home page first because that's what a lot of people are focusing on. So we're going to go ahead and go into our home page, click on edit, and now it's time to begin editing. So again, I want to set this up as a makeup portfolio. Firstly, I'm going to change this and we're going to write our own intro line. So Sarah, or let's say I want to write makeup art style. And this is what I want to write. And then I want to make this a heading and I want this to be center aligned. And you can see all of these options are present on just on top of your text block. After that, there is a button and I want to add this button, but this says explore courses. I'm going to click on this pen icon and then click on edit. And I'm going to remove that and I'm going to lead it to slash gallery. And I will just remove the text as well where it should say view more because I want to display my work. I don't want any call to actions that are related to purchasing. After that, and within this section, there are two images. If you don't like the style or layout, you can just click on delete and delete to delete them. However, I do want to include some dynamic elements, so I'm going to click on add block and add another image. I'm going to just place it over here I'm going to make it a bit longer, but not too long. Then I am going to click on this plus icon, click on upload file, and then we're gonna go ahead and upload our file like so. Once I've done that, my image is going to be uploaded. And once my image upload is complete, I'm just going to size it like so. Now you will see the image is on top of my text, so you can click on your text options and you can choose the layout of everything. You will see you have the options to pin as well as move backward like this. I'm just going to move this backward and I'm going to add another block. And if you want, you can add things such as buttons, forms, audio, video, and much, much more. Now we can click on the second section, click on the edit icon, and edit as we go. This is just one page. You're just going to click on save every time you complete editing a page. If you want to remove any section, just hover over the section and click on remove. This will remove the entire section as it is. Then click on save. Once you do that, you're just going to click on exit. And when you're exiting, you're just exiting the website page. Then you can move towards the next page that you want to edit. So we have a scheduling page, we have we have different pages in this. Then we have our linked pages. So I'm going to delete this page called courses because it's not relevant. Then we have a gallery page. I'm going to open that. And after that, I can just start adding my own images within the gallery section. Then we even have a contact page, which you can edit the information present within. And then we have our non-linked pages. Non-linked pages mean that there is probably somewhere within your website a link for these pages. But for me, I don't want any scheduling options or courses or paywalled course pages, so I'm just going to delete these. Once you've done that, you will see on the left a section called Utilities. This includes your system pages, such as your error pages, your website tools, as well as your trashed pages. And once everything is complete, you are going to simply proceed back into your home section and your website is now live. You will see on the top you have a preview option, so you can preview what your website looks like. You can go down and then go back into the mobile version to preview the mobile version as well. Once you're satisfied with everything, you can move towards the next section, which is products and services. If you're selling any, you can add them here. You can add marketing tools and other tools as well. And once completed, that is all you have to do. So you can go back into the setup guide on the top left and click on Get a Custom Domain to get your custom domain with Squarespace. If not, you can simply click on Manage Site Status and then make this a password protected or private site. To be able to publish your site, you will have to upgrade to a premium version on Squarespace. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below.